Silver against US dollar this week was jumping up and down around this area of support and the resistance. We can see the week started here with this candle that has large wick on the upper side and the lower side, and the price returning back above this area of resistance about 33.02, forming only a wick and then returning back down. After that, the price returned back down, forming a bearish breakout. Then it was invalidated with this bullish candle. Then again, it is a bearish breakout. So we can see there is an unclear situation for the silver on this area of support and the resistance. Weekly time frame shows us indecision on the market. We can see that is clearly weak on the upper side, weak on the lower side. Monthly time frame did not change too much since the last week, and it is still indecision on the market. How the price will behave in the next week, well, it's unclear. For now, we can see indecision on the monthly, indecision on the weekly, indecision on the daily. So it's pretty indecision on the market. So it is the best to wait outside, and that is something that I will do also. I'm waiting outside on the market to see how the price will behave, and will it find any kind of a direction with the bullish or bearish breakouts. This is something that we need to watch closely, so I'm paying attention how the price will behave, and then I will react accordingly. So during the week, I also share the details with the traders inside the premium analysis. So if you would like to be updated during the week, feel free to check the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description, so you can also join. For now, what I can see, waiting outside is much better decision than to get into the market and trade something which is unclear. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.